Welcome to How to Play Par. To play, you'll need 5 dice, 3 or more players, and something to keep score with. The object of the game is to score points. Points are scored based on the dice rolled during a turn. The goal is to get a total dice value over 24 for a chance to score points. A turn starts with a player rolling all 5 dice. The player then decides which dice to keep and which dice to re-roll. At least 1 dice must be kept after each roll. Wade keeps the 2 sixes after his first roll. The player will keep rolling, keeping at least 1 dice after each roll, until all 5 dice have been kept. If a player gets an amount over 24 with their kept dice, they get a chance to score points. First, determine the hit number by subtracting the total amount rolled by 24. Here, Wade rolled a total of 26. Subtract 24 from the 26 and you are left with a hit number of 2. Wade rolls all 5 dice and scores the total amount of the hit number rolled. Wade scores 2 points for the 1-2 rolled. Play moves to Diana to take her turn. Diana rolls until all 5 dice have been kept. Diana ends with a total of 26. This gives her a hit number of 2. Diana rolls all 5 dice but doesn't roll any 2s. Diana scores 0 for this turn. Play moves to Peter. Peter rolls until all 5 dice have been kept. If a player rolls under 24, they will lose points based on the amount they are under 24. Peter finishes his turn with a total of 21. This is 3 away from 24, and Peter will score -3 points for this turn. If a player rolls exactly 24, no points are scored or lost. Players will continue to take turns rolling and scoring. The player with the most points after an agreed upon amount of rounds wins the game. Peter wins this game. If you enjoyed learning how to play par and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy to follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.